to all my friends out there, and I'm making some black bean burgers, and I'm excited because this is a new recipe, and thank you, Audrey. Okay, here's the recipe. 1 can black beans, mushrooms 6 ounces, oil, onion, garlic cloves, cumin, and cilantro. You're supposed to saute the onion in 1 onion somewhere. I wrote it, I'm sure. Oh, there it is. In the olive oil. And then you're supposed to add the black beans, and the cheese is supposed to be 2 ounces goat cheese, but I have the cheese I bought at Dollar Tree. It's Monterey Jack and jalapeno cheese. That's going to be good in this. 4 pieces of bread to make breadcrumbs, so I made my own breadcrumbs. Salt, pepper, and then you brush with oil and fry on a grill. Let me give you a shot. But you know what's so great about this recipe is once you know the proportion of beans, which is 1 can, is about 2 cups, you can substitute anything for that. You can substitute mashed potatoes. So this is a really, really good recipe. So here's what I'm doing. I have lots of experience with making all kinds of burgers. Not vegetarian. I'm going to be making some more vegetarian food. Okay, so I have 1 can black beans. I just bought these black beans at Ralph's. What is it, 15 ounces? So it's about 2 cups. And I had in my stockpile, this is a great thing about this recipe, 1 of these jars of mushrooms that I bought at Dollar Tree. So I want to add those. This is going to be good. I can tell already before I ever even made it. So I want to mix this. You know, when you make something for the first time, it's a big fat mess. I have made the biggest mess preparing this, but that's okay. It's going to be good. Okay, now the recipe is 1/4 cup cilantro, but I bought this because this is good for the stockpile, and I'm using 4 tablespoons. I have 1/2 tablespoon dry onion, a quarter teaspoon pepper, garlic salt, and 1/2 teaspoon cumin. And I'm just going to add that. Oh, my cumin doesn't want to come off. Okay. This is going to be good. And then when you get these all done, you serve them with salsa. And you can make them into a hamburger. That's not what I'm doing though. I'm making mine, you know, the dinner with the rice. I'm making brown rice with taco seasoning. Okay, and now I have some cheese. It's supposed to be 2 ounces or a quarter cup. I think that's about a 1/3 cup. I'm not afraid to add too much cheese. And then I want to add 1 egg because to me it's gonna, if you're a strict vegetarian, you don't have to add the egg. Then I'm not a strict vegetarian. And it's supposed to be 4 pieces of bread, but I had these rolls that I bought marked down at Walmart. These have been really good. I would pay full price for these. So I had 4 of those, and I mean it was making breadcrumbs that went on forever. So okay, back to the recipe. I have the black beans, I have the mushrooms, I don't have the olive oil. I'm going to have that when I don't really need it because I have the egg. I have dry onion, dry garlic, garlic salt, cumin, cilantro, 2 ounce cheese, breadcrumbs, and then salt and pepper. But I put the salt and pepper in already. So here's my breadcrumbs. So what I did was I toasted them. I always toast my breadcrumbs. I don't think you have to. And then I just ground them up in the blender. And so here's my breadcrumbs. And so I'm going to add these. I'm just going to stir them around. And then, you know, I'm going to make this into, I think I just got just about the right amount of breadcrumbs. You need enough. I can add quite a bit of breadcrumbs, you know, because I have that egg in there. But these are coming together nice, I can tell you already. Let me show you. This is hard to do one-handed. And these are gonna be really good. I mean, I can tell already. Okay, so I'm gonna finish mixing them up, and then what I have, let me move all this out of the way. What I have is a burger maker I bought for $1 at Dollar Tree, and I'll just put a big scoop. I'll use a measuring cup, and I'll make some nice hefty black bean burgers. And then, you know, the ones that I don't eat, this is going to make a lot. Well, you figure 1 pound is 16 ounces. Okay, and so here is my brown rice and my taco seasoning. And here is my corn, because I like corn with the beans. And then I bought some fruit for some fruit salad. So I will be back soon with some black bean burgers. Let me give you one more shot at the recipe. This is a really good recipe. So normally, if you weren't using your stockpile, you would saute the mushrooms, the onion, the garlic cloves, and the cumin in the oil, which would be tasty. But this will be too. And then brush with oil and grill. The only thing I did different was I added 1 egg. Okay, I'll be back.